Welcome to Waterborepump Warehouse. We're happy to help with all your Waterborepump needs. Feel free to give us a call.
We've completed the install of the panels and connected up all the cables. We're running 4 panels, 2 in series and 2 in parallel. So that means we should have 4 panels in total, and the output from each panel is 40 volts DC. So a pair of panels should deliver 80 volts. We're just going to test that on the multimeter. We'll put that on volts DC and we'll just measure the incoming power there. And we've got, yep, well and truly under our 80 volts, exactly what I expect, about 70 volts DC. So we know that we've got 4 panels, 2 sets of 2 panels, which will give us the 80 volts. The next thing we'll connect up the motor and make the other connections. Okay, this is the connections, the last bit of our installation here. We're running a dam float installation behind me there. The important things is it's the earth connection. We've got a pressure switch connection, which is connected to the remote switch. Doesn't matter which way round those wires go. And the motor connection, 1, 2, 3, black, brown, grey, connected 1, 2, 3. You can see the numbers on the underneath there is the motor connection on the submersible rated cable. The on-off switch on the bottom there. And we're just about ready to put the lid back on and run it up. Okay, we're just completing the installation and running through a few tests on this Lorentz PS2 600 controller. I've got a red light on here for the well level probe. This is the well level probe that hangs down attached to the pump, submersible pump. At the moment it's showing an error because we're not in water. It's got a little float switch in there. When that's full of water, the little float floats to the top and we'll put that out of the alarm mode. So that's that second from the left, or the centre red light, is the well level probe, indicating that the well is not keeping up sufficient flow to operate the water bore pump.